Alright guys, this is the second devlog. So we still need to get these things done, because last devlog I just focused on redesigning the UI and stuff, which, I reckon I did a pretty good job on all that, all things considered. Anyways, so I would like to get the stat system done. How do I want to go about this? I think first off, I'll just add like a button. Yeah, I'll just see if I can make it work. So I'll just add a text, not a text label, I want a text button. Text button. I just want to see if I can actually do it. Size, I'll make it just like 0.1. There we go. We don't really want it to blend in, so... Boom. Button. Okay. We must look to here. So, we got a button now. What I want this button to do is, I'll add a text label. I'll make it 0.1 as well. 0.1. And I will move it next to the button. And this will be the, value. This will be the value. Add button. That'll be the add button. So what we want it to do is add a level. Now, I don't know if I want to do this with a module script or not. But first things first, I think I should do it. So, like, whenever, so local val equals script dot parent dot value. No, not visible dot okay. It is in the script dot parent, right? Yeah, script dot parent. Oh, dot parent. It's dot parent dot value. So local button script dot parent button dot activated connect func. Yeah. What? Okay. Code suggestion be wild then, bro. Anyway, so what we want it to do is val local stat value equals 0. Stat value plus equals 1. Val dot text equals stat value. W. Alright, that works. W. And then right, this would have to make a call to the server to increase the plate's health or speed. Oh, if we do speed, then it doesn't need to connect to the server. So, can we get the player who clicked? Oh, no, we don't need to. We don't need to. This isn't a server script. It automatically so local player equals game dot players dot local player. Player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed plus equals 0.5. Yeah, I'm definitely walking faster. I'd like to make another button that subtracts, though. Actually. I don't want to do this in a way that's savable. So... So what do I want to do? I know how to make the thing work. But how do I do it in a way where it adds based on how many points there are? I could probably multiply the walk speed. Does that work? Or is it times equal? I think it's times equal. So if I do that... I just want to see if that still works. Okay, it just stops me. Weird. What about if I do a solid number? Oh, right, because it needs it to be something, right? So this should just get exponentially faster. Oh, yeah, that is... Okay, wow, what is my current value at? Oh my word. Yeah, that gets faster every... Oh my... Okay. Yeah, so we're not doing it that way. I would also like to add a max stat value. Very cool. Max stat equals 25. If stat value equals max stat, then return end. So now it should be impossible to go over 25. Just need to get up to 25. And I don't think my speed is increasing. It isn't. W. So I've added a hard cap on 25. Sweet. How do I make a level system? Stat points and stuff. Cool. Stat points equal 3. If stat points equals 0, then return end. Stat points negative equals 1. So now we should only be able to do it 3 times. Yep. However, I'd like it to be an attribute of the player. So if I go to star player, I think it's in here. No. Where is the thing? It's not there. It might be in JavaScript service. What's this? No, it's for the ragdoll. Attribute handler. Here we go. There's a lot of attributes. Set attribute. Stat points. It shall be a value. I forgot to put a comma. Stat points. Okay, so when I join the game, I should now have a new value called stat points. There we go. So stat points now equals player dot character get attribute stat points. I think that's how I spelled it. Yep, it is. Can't add any at all. W. And if I set it to, say, 5, I still can't add any. Oh, right. No, I need to put this inside of the thing. So it updates whenever the activated is called. Humanoid. I want to add some stat points, please. No, wait, no, I don't go to the humanoid. Let's add 6 stat points. Oh, right, no, because I need to take away stuff as well. Remote functions. No. Where's the thing that takes away the freaking... It's not that. Right, okay. Ignore how messy this is, by the way. Stat deduction. Stat deduction. I'll just copy and paste this. I want to get stat points. How do I... Remote events. So it's not in there. Lives module. Set attribute target. Get attribute live. Okay. Player dot character. Get attribute. Stat points minus equals 1. Why does that not work when it works here? Oh, okay, I'm dumb. Okay, but why doesn't this work? Yes. I'll just copy. Hang on. Local char equals player dot character. Oh, I don't need to do the minus equals. Oh, that's what was messing it up. So the func attribute set of false. Where does that connect to? Assuming it's in random. No. So attribute setter. It's in remote functions. Oh. Okay, but where do they connect to? Surely not, right? No, okay. I'm confused. Where the crap is it? I think it's a starter character script, but I'm not too sure. You know, it might be in bug fix. Never mind. What the crap? Where is it? Biome changes, suitable, blah, 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 blah. It ain't there. Yeah. Maybe I just make a module. Stat handler. Stat. Attribute handler. We can close that out. Cut that out. Player. We don't really need the stat deduction thing. So, if we look at the... Toggle comment. Function. Stat dot. There we go. So, okay, we don't want that to be lives. We want that to be stat points. Stat points. Did I just? I freaking knew I disconnected. So, I'm just gonna. Oh wait, no, server sound effects is already off, so I can't get copyrighted from that. Oh yeah, by the way, my last devlog got copyrighted because of this music, the background music. So, I'm just gonna disable that permanently. Well, you know, until the game releases and stuff, but still. So this will call this get attribute attribute attribute. I think that should work. Okay, so if we go into the local script here, can get rid of that. Local module equals game.replicate storage dot modules dot stat handler. Because I'm stupid, I gotta put that there, gotta take that out, put it in there, and we're good. So I want to new module dot minus stat points. I'm hoping this works. If we go over to the server side, I'll add 3 stat points. Tempted to perform arithmetic sub on nil and number. I think we'll just do that. Oh, yeah, no, wait, I did. No, hang on a minute. This is just to get rid of the stat points. It isn't changing the thing. What am I doing? I'm dumb, bro. What the crap? Doesn't do anything. If I add... no, I don't want to be stunned. 3 stat points. Boop, boop, boop. Can't go over. And do I not... no. See, I still have them here. Okay, it's cool that it works, but it needs to be changed on the server. Like, it just has to be changed on the server. I can't have it done any other way. I need it changed on the server. Oh. Interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, my brain's hurting. Like, it works, But it doesn't work on the server, which could cause some problems down the line, which I can't have happening, because that would be stupid. Oh, beautiful UI, beautiful. So... Oh, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I want to keep the module script, but I feel like I could... I'd like to keep the modules. Yeah. Because it works, but it doesn't change on the server, which could be problematic. Might just keep it for now. No, I should definitely get it changed on the server. Wait, does that mean this doesn't... Oh no, let me check something. Let me give myself like one... Actually, no, let's go 3 lives. Let me see, does this still work? Stop moving, Rick. Yeah, I used a life. Yeah, okay. Oh, but that does go down. What? Oh, is it because... I think it was called by the server, though, so... Life use, yeah. Yeah, where do I actually use the freaking thing? Because it ain't here. What do I call it? Oh, right, from the thing itself. Yeah, because it's a server script. It runs from the server. Right. I get it now. So if I just made a separate script... So, like... We'll just... For now, we'll name it Bridge. Because it's bridging the gap. Bridge. Just copy. Paste. So now that's being called from there, I just need to add the remote event. It'll go into server events. Shall be named stat remove call. Brilliant naming, isn't it? Game dot replicated storage dot remote events dot server events dot stat remove call dot on server event connect function. I'm amazing. Oh, player, we don't really need it, but I'll put it there anyways. Oh. Local remote equals game dot replicate storage dot remote events dot server events dot stat remove call. So we want to fire the remote fire server. Please tell me this works now. So, yep, can't add anything, can't add any points. Stat points. 5. We will have 5 points, please. Attempt to index nil with character. Huh? Attempt to index nil with character. How does it work? Oh, because it has to give it right. Okay, so what it does is it takes that information. Right, okay, so just give it the player. Is that all it really needs? How about that? That work? Well, no bugs when you try and click it and nothing. We don't want 32 points, we want 5. Works. And yes! Yes! Oh, that probably saved me so much trouble in the future. Oh my word. W. Probably want to stat bridge. We'll just name it to that so it's more clarifiable. It works though. Brilliant. So now, yeah, max stat. Okay, let me go to the UI. I want to see if this is duplicatable. So I'll put the value in there. I want the size to be 1, 1. Thank you. And I'll line it up like that. And we can change the background color, because that is invisible, essentially. I would like the position to be the same, people. There we go. Button. We will give this the text of speed. So now if I copy, paste it here, this one will be henceforth health from the Health and Safety Department. We want this to be health. And we'll times it by a smaller amount. So, does this work? Oh shit. Oh, right, I forgot. I need to change that to be .parent. Because I moved the thing. There we go. Should work now. All good. Okay, nothing changes. But if I go and give myself 13 stat points, put some into speed, my health isn't multiplying. Or is it? And it's just not showing up because it rounds to the nearest thing. No, it's just straight up not multiplying. Well, okay, we didn't really need it to multiply, we just needed to add it. So we'll add 2 health. Also, I want this to be max health. Max health. So no, wait, we don't want the humanoid. I'll give myself 23 stat points. Let me put 9 points into there, so that should be like 18 extra health. if I would like to kindly heal. I'm not healing for some reason. Or am I? I'm just not seeing it. Like health. Oh, right, because we made the change on the client. Oh, no. Server events. Stat bridge. Okay. Game dot replicated storage dot remote events dot server events. And now I've got to add the server event. Remote function. Server events. Health. Stat. Increase. Health stat increase. There we go. Dot. Health stat increase. Dot. On server event. Connect. Func. Player. Oh, we can close that. So go here. Copy. Go back to here. We can actually remove that now. And we can local stat point stat point remote. There we go. Stat point remote. Local health remote game dot code storage dot remote events dot server events dot health stat increase. Health fire server. You know what? Okay, I'm just gonna make it so I start off with some stats. So 6. And I'll put some into speed. Okay, I am healing. That's a good sign. So my max HP is 108. That checks out. Okay, this is stackable. It just requires a little tiny bit of modifying. Okay, we've got a system in place. That's good. That's really good. Also, my walk speed. But the walk speed didn't really change that much. Oh wait, no, I was on the client. I was on the server side. Right. We don't really want it to be multiplied either, so we'll just do. I swear, bro, if the Jester's back again. Okay, no, it's Mari. Bro, imagine the Jester showed up twice in a row for these devlogs. Fortune Spoiled. Lucky Pots. Yeah, I think I'm good, Mari. Thank you, though. Thanks for showing up. Okay, back to the AFK. So yeah, as I was saying, we don't really want it to be that. We can just give, like, an extra tiny... we don't really want it to be big either. We just want it to be a tiny little amount of extra speed. Hey, why did my humanoid double? What the heck? Wait, I'm struggling to know if that is... Is that a bug? I might have just straight up accidentally copied and pasted it though, so... Okay, yeah, I think I accidentally copied and pasted it. It seems to be repeating though. So I won't even have it selected this time. And then I will have it selected. Okay, so I think it was me accidentally copying and pasting it, so it's not a bug. It's not a bug, it's a feature. Okay, so... We know this works, right? We know this works. So I think I'll make it look a bit better now. I'd like the name of this to be speed stat. And I want this to be... No, I don't want that to be a model. Health stat. Yes! And then we can move these, right? We're moving them. Ah, spooky. Also, we probably want to make this frame a bit smaller. Doesn't really need to be big, so... Oh, is the text not scaled? I guess it wasn't. Text scaled. What? There we go. Text label. This will just like be a little counter of how many stat points you've got. Oh, I'm being cold. So this will be named stat point value. Stat point value. Yeah, we'll add it as a local script. Local player equals game dot players dot local player local char equals player dot character char how do I detect when the attribute is changed? Get property change signal. Or is it get attribute change signal? Get attribute change signal. Stat points. Connect func. W. Connect func. Script dot parent dot text equals char get at no, not get children, get attribute, not that, stat points. Does that work? It does. Sweet. Where is this sprint script? Should be plus equals 6. And this should be minus equals 6. Sweet, I think that works. Yeah, because I increased my base. I'll just close all those out. Close that, close that, close that. I want to give myself more stat points. Give myself 50. I can max out all the stats then. That'd be good. That'd be good. That'd be real good, actually. So, my base walk speed is 12. Then I can go up to that. But if I add stat points, then W. Let me just max out my health stat. Sweet. So, 150. And I accidentally duplicated my humanoid. I've got to stop duplicating my freaking humanoid. Anyways, that works. That works. That works really nicely. Oh, we can close this. Okay then. So I should probably change this back to 0. I'd like to make a level system so you can get stat points. Actually, no. I'd like stat points to be like an exclusive thing. Yeah, that'd be nice. So anyways, I should probably make this look a bit better. So I'll add a UI corner. 0.2. That is horrendous. Yeah, that works. Okay. I'd like to add a stroke. Thickness. That looks good. UI gradient. Should probably change these then. One is a bit too much. What about 0.1? 0.1 is not bad. What about a stroke? Yeah, no, we want it to be border. Borderline abuse. No, we don't want it to be borderline abuse. That'd be bad. Okay. that is looking a bit better. Does it still work? I need to add stats, I forgot. Snack for one. Give you 45 points. Yeah, I think I'll max out my speed. Then go for the health. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Ooh, I wonder if I can add a gradient to this. So, like... yeah, we'll make it fully that's... what? Hang on a minute, why is that not fully oh, right, okay. Fully transparent, we'll just go with that. Oh, wait, actually, hang on a minute. We could just add a stroke to it. UI stroke. I want it to be border. What is... anyways. Yeah, doesn't really need a stroke. Okay. Stats. The visible. False. Little sneak peek. I was blinded by the light. Oh, yeah, those are my friggin' custom impact frames. Yeah. Whee. Anyways, guys, I think that'll be all for this devlog. We will end it off with a little bit of a sneak peek.